In 1908, the sky over Siberia split in two. A flash of light so bright it was seen hundreds of miles away was followed by an explosion that shook the entire planet. But when rescuers arrived, they found nothing.
Farmers 40 miles away were thrown from their chairs. The heat was so intense they felt like their clothes were on fire. Seismographs in London, thousands of miles away, recorded the impact.
When scientists finally reached the site years later, they saw a nightmare. 80 million trees were flattened, lying in a perfect butterfly pattern, pointing away from a center that didn't exist. This is the mystery that baffles NASA today. There is no crater, no giant hole in the ground, no massive chunks of iron, just a scorched wasteland where an object vanished into thin air. The leading theory, an airburst. A stony asteroid roughly 200 feet wide entered the atmosphere at 33,000 miles per hour and exploded 6 miles above the ground due to intense pressure. Others argue it was a comet, a giant ball of ice and gas. It would explain why no debris was found. The killer simply melted and evaporated into the atmosphere, leaving only a ghost behind. But some look toward New York. They whisper that Nikola Tesla was testing his death ray, or Wardenclyffe Tower, that morning, sending a massive surge of wireless energy across the globe.
Then there's the black hole, or antimatter theory. Some even believe a nuclear-powered alien craft suffered a catastrophic engine failure and detonated before it could crash.
In 2013, a smaller version hit Chelyabinsk, Russia. It shattered windows and injured thousands. It proved that Tunguska wasn't a one-time event. It was a warning of what the sky can do. Expeditions still visit the Tunguska site today. They find microscopic spheres of silicate and magnetite in the soil, tiny remnants of a cosmic visitor that almost wiped out a city. If that object had arrived just 4 hours later, it would have exploded directly over St. Petersburg, changing the course of human history forever. We survived by a tilt of the Earth. The Tunguska Mystery remains open. Was it a rock, a comet, or a secret weapon? What do you believe crashed in the woods? Tell us your theory below, and subscribe to uncover the next file.